Hello my best friends! In this video I'm gonna show you how can you make your bassline much better. This is ImageLine official trap project and we wanna work on the bassline of this project. Before working, let's listen. Alright, let's go to the bass piano roll. If you wanna have a more audible bass line, you should play between lower and higher notes. With this trick, you can show your bass line to your music listener and he realizes your bass line. Let's see some more examples. For the last example, I want to work on one of my projects. If you want to know how I made this song, you can see this video. I hope it was useful and you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.